Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will work with shape map in Power BI. Now in Power BI visualization, you have three kinds of maps. So we have simple map, then we have fill map, and then we have shape map. In the simple map, it's just a simple map of the world and it is populated according to your data. In the filled map, the map is filled according to the data, and in the shape map, you can actually have the shape of the country or the continent that your data is about. So let's start. So first, what I'll do is I will select the shape map, and in the location, I will add the location. So now you can see that it is already filled. So if I click on Texas, it is showing me the data of Texas only. You can also add any legend. I will leave that for now. In color saturation, let's just say that it can be done via the count of projects. So you can see that here we have two. For Texas, we have more, so it's blue. So we can say count of, we will name it as count of projects. So it's easier to read. Now you go here for New York, you can see the count of projects are 4. So you can also tell that Texas has the highest number of projects. Now let's see how we can further modify or change it, format it. So I'll go here and format your visual. In the map setting, you can now see here that the map type is selected as US states. You can also add any custom map if it is not part of here. So now you can see that here you have Australia, Austria, Brazil, Canada, France, Germany, and so on. Now, but if your map is not there, you can also add a custom map and you can browse it. I'll leave it as it is. You can also in the projection, it's this one. You can change it if you want. I'll keep it as it is. In the further settings, you can add a manual zoom if you want, zoom on selection, auto zoom. We will leave it. And the fill colors also. Now, since we have added the saturation according to the count of projects, you can see it here. You can select the gradient. I'll leave it as it is. So minimum, maximum, and how it's working. The blank areas, we have gray, but you can add any color. You can also leave it as, let's say we can make it white. The border, you can have, we can make it a little darker. So now you see this is how it's working. In the generals, it's like how you format any of the Power BI visual. In properties, you can change the size or you can just drag from here. In the position padding, you can do that. Title, we can just remove it or you can add title if you want. You can add effects. I'll remove the background. You can have a visual border. You can also have a shadow. So this is how it looks here. Also, further you can add any data format if it's there, tooltips, header icons, and so on and so forth. So this is how easily you can work with shape map in Power BI. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.